How to change Discord password if you forgot it. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply recover your Discord password. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're signed into your Discord account but you don't know what your password was, if you wish to sign in into another device, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here at the bottom left. So once you do so, you will be redirected to your user settings. You're going to click on my account over here, and then you're going to scroll down. You'll be able to see the option of change password. So if you do remember your password, you're going to simply type your current password here and then type your new password. But however, if you don't remember your new password, what you're going to do is simply log out of Discord. To do that, simply go to the left panel, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll be able to see this red logout button. Click on it and then click on logout again, and then you'll be logged out of Discord. Then they'll ask you to enter your email or phone number and password. So you're going to simply type in your email. So I'm going to type down my email, and then instead of typing your password, you're going to click on forgot your password. And then they will say that they have sent instructions to change password to this email that you entered. So you're going to head over to your Gmail or whichever email you have provided, and the email will look something like this. So here is a reset password button. Simply click on it and you'll be redirected to another interface in web that will ask you to type down your new password. So you can simply type down your new password over here, click on change password, and you're good to go. That is how you can reset your Discord password if you don't remember the previous one. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.